All right, what I'm doing now is I'm changing the lower unit gear lube. So you take out one here and one here. I mean, I don't know what it's supposed to look like, but it's definitely not that. So that seems like some water got in there. So what we'll do is we'll connect this pump to this end here and pump it until it comes out up here, and it comes out pretty clean. So I'm gonna let this drain for a minute and we'll see. All right, the gear lube oil was quite easy, did that pretty quick. So we're gonna move on to trim and tilt motor. It still works, but the outside of it is just absolutely bombed. So I already have one, so I'm just gonna go ahead and replace it. Let me show you where the wire runs. Comes through here, up through here, and then up underneath this section here. And it comes all the way around and attaches here and here. I have unplugged the battery, so I'm going to take these two out and unsnake the wire all the way up under there and hopefully pull it out in one piece, but we'll see. All right, what I want to show you is there's 3 bolts. We got to take out one here, one over here, and then one in the worst spot I've ever seen, all the way back here. And I've had to make a contraption with my ratchet here. I'll show you in a second when I get this all the way out. This is my contraption. I've used almost every socket I have to adjust. And then this little piece on the end came from this Harbor Freight kit with just like a bunch of different little specific tools. So that's what I've got. All right, with a little ingenuity, we got the old one off. This is what it looks like. A little bit of hydraulic fluid in there. And this was of course what was murdering us. Stripped bolt here. The hex tool was just spinning inside, so I just started drilling away, and then I hammered this, which is a little bit bigger. I hammered this into the head of that, and then I was able to turn it off. So anyway, we're gonna get the new one installed here and run the wires. All right, so we got the old one completely out here. That's where I went to town. Gunked up pretty good. Here's the new one, fully installed there. Running the wires was super easy. Just in through here, around this side, and then one here and one there. And there you have it. All right, let me show you how well it works. Actually, a little bit of a rumble. Maybe I need to check how much hydraulic fluid we got. Goes down well. There you go.